Running a business in 2025 using the habits from 2015, it might feel familiar, even comforting, but sticking with outdated practices could actually be slowing you down, draining your time, costing you money, or even putting your business at risk without you realizing it. So let's break down a few of the biggest culprits and what to do instead. Manual bookkeeping and spreadsheets. Still managing your accounts in Excel? Or worse, keeping handwritten records in a notebook? Back in the day, that kind of setup might have done the job. But today, it simply won't cut it. And frankly, there are much easier ways. Cloud-based bookkeeping software isn't just convenient, it's designed for the world we're in now. Faster transactions, real-time insights, and digital tax compliance. With Making Tax Digital now here to stay, staying on top of your tax isn't just a nice to have, it's absolutely essential. Having real-time access to your tax data means you can track income and expenses as they happen, avoid last-minute scrambles, and stay fully prepared for every return. And certainly for sole traders earning over £50,000, and that includes landlords, there won't be one tax return, there'll be 5 across the year, and that kicks off in April 2026. Mixing personal and business finances. If you're still paying for office supplies with your personal debit card or covering your car insurance through your business account without clear separation, you're setting yourself up for absolute chaos. By the way, car insurance for your own car isn't a business expense, and I'm going to talk about this later in the video. It might seem harmless, especially when you're just getting started, but over time, this creates a tangled mess that makes cash flow almost impossible to track, turns year-end accounting into an unbelievable stressful guessing game, and can cause problems with HMRC if you're ever investigated, and no one wants that. So opening a dedicated business bank account is one of the simplest and smartest moves you can make. It makes it easier to manage expenses, project profits, plan for tax bills, and just keep things clean. Doing everything manually. You're not still writing out every invoice by hand. How about following up with clients manually if they miss a payment? What about trying to calculate your tax bill on your phone's calculator app at 11 o'clock at night? I think we've all done at least one of those things. Automation is everything, and with accounting software, you can send invoices in seconds, set automatic reminders so you don't have to keep chasing those horrible late payers, easily track your expenses, set up recurring invoices and payments. That is a dream, so easy, and see your tax liabilities building in real time. These tools do the boring, repetitive stuff for you so you can focus on the bits of your business that actually need you. Less admin, fewer errors, more headspace, and get on with your business. Ignoring your digital presence in 2025, a cardinal sin. Your online presence is your storefront, even if you don't sell online. I mean, if you haven't updated, say for example, your LinkedIn profile since the last general election, and there's a great video on this called Crack the LinkedIn Code, or kept your website up to date, or your social media hasn't seen a post since 2021, it sends a message and really not the one you want. Outdated social presence and an old website can completely undermine your credibility. I mean, I check out everybody I'm going to talk to and their LinkedIn profile before we have the conversation. It can hurt your search rankings. It can completely frustrate potential customers, and they probably won't buy, and even reduce your conversion rates. Well, that's probably an absolute obvious. So modernizing doesn't mean a total rebrand or spending thousands. Sometimes just updating your content, making sure your contact information is accurate, and posting something current is enough to show you're active, engaged, and trustworthy. These outdated habits might seem harmless, but when added up, they drain time, energy, and most importantly, opportunities. And it's in a world that's moving so fast, they will be holding you back and your business in serious ways. The good news? Most of these fixes are simple. And once you make the shift, you feel it. More control, more clarity, more time back, and hopefully more leads and more business. So what's the one outdated business habit you're ready to ditch this year? Let us know in the comments, and if it's not a tip we've already mentioned, we'll no doubt have some great solutions for you. So earlier I promised to tell you how to expense your own car in your business. Well, you can only claim one thing, and that's mileage. You can't claim insurance, petrol, diesel, repairs, nothing but this one thing. And actually, it's a really good deal. So go and watch the video, how to claim mileage expenses.